a very enjoyable affair at the Hard Rock Stadium in Miami. There will be a little memento, pretty impressive memento for Barcelona to take back on the plane with them. And it will be Andres Iniesta, the man who will go up to collect it. A little bit of point scoring, as we said, to be done tonight, ahead of the more competitive and meaningful meetings of these two down through the season. And always better to be on the right end of this than the wrong end of this.
Yeah, definitely nice way for Barcelona to finish the tournament. 3 wins from 3. The International Champions Cup winners.
Question, I guess, is can Valverde count this trophy?
I don't think so somehow.
Well, from his point of view, as we said, it's a massive job, big season as Barcelona look to wrest back domestic and continental control from their great rivals. And Danny win over Real Madrid is to be feted, is to be cheered. And as the ticker tape comes down, Barcelona 3-2 victors tonight.
Again, Neymar looks pretty comfortable at the front there. Is he going to stay? That's something we'll find out in the next week or so, I'd imagine. But a nice one for Barcelona to get the victory. And 4 meetings at least to come, including, as you mentioned, 3 days before the end of the Spanish league season at the start of May. The last one was spectacular.